Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create straight light in Adobe Photoshop. So to do that, go ahead and select rectangular marquee tool and make a selection just like that, just like that, and create a new layer, and we're going to apply some gradient into it and make sure your gradient just looking like that, and hit OK and create your gradient just like so, and hit Ctrl T and adjust a little bit, and right click and perspective, and you're gonna make this just like that and hit enter to deselect it, and we're gonna apply some blur to it by going simply filter, blur, and Gaussian blur just like that. So this is the easiest way I know how to create straight light in Photoshop. If you know another way how to create straight light like that in Photoshop, please leave a comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.